instant po bang makukuha ng maa-avail ng mga PWDs at ng mga senior citizen yung 20% o 32% na discount? Saan po? Sa driver o saan pwedeng maano yun?
Thank you for the question. That was raised a while ago, and yes, we will be the one shouldering the discount. So you don't have to worry about the.
Hindi sa driver.
Yes.
Paano po? Paano ang sistema? Kasi parang mga tip po yun na, ay babanggitin pa namin na kami ay senior citizen. Ano ba?
Yes, that's the only way that we'll be able to check. That's why the government agencies will provide you guys with the identification cards for if you're a PWD or if you're a senior citizen. We have to actually, that's also a good way to check if you're actually a senior citizen. If you have if you have an account, and then you can register your identification card in the app itself. Para mas madali talaga, parang pwede gawin namin automatic yan na senior citizen kasi nilagay yung information dito.
Ano yun? Addition to sir. Tama po yan. Kung halimbawa meron na tayong database sa mga seniors sa PWD natin, nakaregister na po sa app natin yan. Every time nasasakay sila, automatically, madidilaka po yung percentage nila kasi po nandun sa database. So kailangan sila mag-present ng certain documents yung sinasabi nilang senior ID and other IDs as well. Thank you po.
Para po kasi kung sakali kayo pala ng unang gagawa nito.
Actually, we are trying our best po na mag-innovate pa for the benefit of our riding public. Kasi yan ang purpose naman natin. I will be frank enough na, siyempre, ang here wants to earn, right? Pero siyempre, a priority din po namin is to give good service to our riding public, especially dun sa mga less fortunate people, at saka yung ating mga PWD. Now, by doing that, kailangan magkaroon tayo ng database na naka-register din sila para every time na nagra-rent sila, kamukha ng sinabi na Tony Newton, it would be an automatic deduction of the 30% that is due for them. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.